Yo, what up, my traders? Back with you another weekly trading week recap video. And I took some trades today, got a green week. Stay tuned. Yo, what up, traders? Back with you with another Forex recap day. Got a green day today, got a green week. I only had 2 green days this week, too. Let me show y'all. I'm currently in this trade now. I'm going to break that down to y'all when I come back later on. But I'm going to break that down. Anyway, this is my stats for the week. Made $6 on Monday. End up losing $2 Tuesday, lost $4 Wednesday, and I broke even yesterday. And now I broke even yesterday because I was like, man, I'm done with trading, man. I was just done for the day. And today I hit good today. Now this $14, all my losses and my wins add up together, you know, with everything in there. Yep. So I took some good trades. I'm gonna go to the chart now. I traded Euro USD and really gold and Euro JPY. I think I traded that. No, I must not trade this today. But I traded gold was my main pair I traded today. So let's go to my Euro trade real quick. I'll break this trade down at the end. Alright, here I went long here because we are uptrending on the 1 hour, 4 hour, everything's uptrending over here on this side. So I'm looking for lows. I was expecting for I really was expecting for this low to hold here, but it broke out. And really, when it broke this low here, this swing low, it was a short signal. That's a change of character right there. I put it there late, but that's a change of character. I shouldn't have been looking for longs here. So it came back up here, and I got you can say I wasn't reading my market structure right, because when it broke this low here, it was all selling. So it went back up, tested this zone again. Now I went long here off this like little order block here. I think I was going off the 50. It was like a 50-cent range. It was in a discount. Is why I went long here. Yep, right in a discount. But I was on the wrong side of the market structure. It showed bearish, so there should be no buys. Should have been only sales. I actually was in sales here. I think I had like 2 sales here, but I think I FOMO, man. I don't know what it was. I was watching dollar, and I was in sales to about like, it was coming down like right here, and it was just holding. The dollar was going up, and I had a sell on Euro USD. So those pairs correlate. So you gotta do the opposite, you know, all that crap. So I was thinking about that, and I was like, man, let me close this position. So I closed it for break evens. I made like maybe 43 cents, 45 cents on those trades. And I'm currently right now in Euro USD. I'm gonna come back to that. Let's go back to my gold trade. All right, so this is where this is the pair I traded the most today. Gold was nice today, very, very bullish today. Yeah, just traded gold. I made all my money here. I took 2 shorts here. I read the market strong. Like, we're in the uptrend here. There should have been no shorts here. And look, I got faked out. You see this? I took a short here because this low, it did a change of character. But it wasn't really a change of character because this low hasn't really made a high. You know what I mean? Like, this low is not really a real low. It's a low, but it's not like it's insignificant. You know what I mean? It's not strong. So that's why it broke down like that and went on up and went up like that. So yeah, I had stops below here. If you had stops below there, you got stopped out. It just liquidated something down here. This little zone right here, and went on up. So I tried to take a short here off this little zone here because it broke this little low here. Got stopped out immediately on both trades. So I was waited for price to come back down here to this swing low because we broke out of structure. We're still uptrending here, waiting for the swing low, and I was looking for longs. So I drew this zone here. I'm gonna go in the 15-minute. I drew this zone here on the 15-minute. Right. I drew this zone here because of this zone here. This zone here created the breakout of these highs. So I drew the zone here, and I was waiting for price to come back down here to test, and it did. 15-minute came down here test. So then I went to the 1 minute. This is where I took my entry. Now, there's some good entries on this 1 minute, y'all. I took a sell here, It was consolidating right here. It was consolidating. I saw this little order block here, and we're still downtrending. I'm going with the market structure. Look at the structure. Red line is the 1 hour structure. Green line's the 15-minute structure. So we're going down. We're testing this highs here. Little supply zone. I took a sell, man, and I was instantly up. It was like a 0.05 a lot here on gold, and I was instantly up like not that much, like $8. So I took that off. And I was like, damn. And really, and my dumb ass went long again. I took it off, but I went long. I should just hit that sell all the way down here to this order block. But I went long because I was expecting this order block here to bounce right here. I was expecting something like this to bounce because we had broke out, but it was a weak breakout, and we're still downtrending. We haven't broken this high yet, so the high is still strong. High is still being respected. So that's why I got stopped out, came down to the zone. Now here, man, I ain't gonna lie, I had diamond hands here, y'all. Like, I was in drawdown on this trade here, but the reason why I held this trade was I was thinking about the market structure. For one, I knew he was bullish, and it started to wyke off. Now, as price was coming down here to the zone, it bounced. This is what I want to see, but I got in way too early. Well, I didn't let price like form. I didn't let structure form. I just got in as soon as the candle made a high. Like, I thought this was the change of character right here. When it came up like here, around here, it came up, broke this high. I thought that was the change of character. And then I didn't really do my strategy. I broke a rule. I didn't play off an order block. I just bought a breakout. I tried to play it up, man. I don't know what the hell I was thinking about. So I got in here, right? And mind you, I bought it here, and as price was like coming down like here, and then it bounced up, it couldn't break, and then it came down to here, it bounced up, couldn't break. I started to realize that this was a Wyckoff pattern. I started to realize, okay, I might be in the earlier phase of Wyckoff. These are a lot of like tests to the upside trying to break out, but it's not. And then I stayed in this trade too because I was just understanding liquidity concepts. I knew that we was building liquidity here on this up here. We was building liquidity, so I knew that they was gonna come and take that eventually, but I didn't know when or where it's gonna go first. So I was still holding this trade, and my whole thinking was, as long as no candle closed below this structure point right here, this major structure point, then we're still bullish because we're in the demand zone, and price is still in an uptrend. This is just, all this is here is just a pullback. This is just a pullback. This whole little crap right here is just a pullback to this demand zone low. We're still bullish. Gold is still bullish. So when it was doing all this crap here, it was just pulling back, and I entered another position. I had two positions on this, man. I made all my money back on this position. I entered another position here. Yeah, I think I got in it late. It was coming up, and I bought it here again. And I didn't think that because it came. I bought it because it came in, did like a little liquidity grab of this low here. So I'm like, okay, we might be ready to go up. Took out the buyer, so maybe it's time to go up. So as it was coming up, I bought here on this candle actually. Came back down. And I was in drawdown. I was in drawdown for a minute, man. But I was just so confident in this trade. I was like, man, I know that it's gonna bounce, man. I was in drawdown about, I ain't gonna lie, man. That 3.4, I had about a 0.05 lot. I was down about $15. Yep, I was down about $15-20. Then I took another buy. It was like a 0.02 lot. So overall, I was down about $20 on this trade. $20, but I just stuck with my trade, man. I stuck with my my analysis of it being bullish because we're in an overall uptrend, and then this is a nice Wyckoff accumulation pattern. Let me hide these drawings here. Like this little zone right here. This little zone right here is a Wyckoff accumulation. I saw that there, it broke out, and I just held on to the position, man. I held on to my position, and I got all my money back, double my money, whatever I lost, got all of it back. And I had a runner too. I had a trailer stop here, but I just didn't. I had it here eventually, but I don't know what the hell I did that for. Put up so soon. But look at that running, man. I still supposed to be holding this trade, y'all. I still supposed to be holding this trade. It's a nice bullish trade we're in. So those are my trades for gold, and now I'm currently in Euro USD right now. And I'm not gonna take this whole loss because we'll see if it goes down and I take a loss on this trade, it's whatever. But I got like a 0.01 lot on this, and I'm only holding it till 5 o'clock. So hopefully we got a little push. If I'm in the red by 5 o'clock, I take a loss. If I'm in the green by 5 o'clock, I take a win. Don't care how many points I'm up. But anyway, I took this buy because we are in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend. Euro USD is in an uptrend. This low has not been broken. We've broken highs, but we're in the range. We're in this range from this low to this high. We're in this range, right? But I took this long because price the 15-minute candle, which is the 15-minute candle, was the lower time frame. It shot. It was coming down, following. It was doing this. All this is a retracement. This is all a retracement to some type of lower high to break out. This is all this is. If you get the theory, you know what I'm saying. This is all theory. Uptrend theory. I think it's called Dow Jones theory, stuff like that. So we're still in the uptrend. So I'm only looking for buys right now until this low is gone. So we was coming down here on the 15-minute, coming down, making lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Then it stopped. We did a change of character here when price reversed and broke this high here, right? Now, I'm in this trade real late. My strategy is to buy it off of an order block, which I'm really supposed to be in it right here. Actually, I'm supposed to be in it right here. After it broke out, like after this candle here, broke out, you're supposed to find the low that caused that breakout, which is here. I mean, not the low, but the order block. This order block here caused the breakout. So I should have been in the trades. I should have been in this trade here already. This should have been my trade, and I'd have been out the trade already. So this is a chase play. I took this trade for a chase because it's the end of the day, and I just wanted to get in and see if I get like a quick little scalp up to the upside. Because we're still bullish. We are still bullish until this low is broken. Right now, the internal structure is bearish right now. These highs are intact, but we did a change of character. So right now we're going to the upside, but I might get stopped out here because of this little trend line liquidity right here. This looks like it's gonna get ran. This little liquidity line right here. Yeah. So got a green there today, and yeah, man, I'm gonna put my trades. I will put my trades stats like next week, like my actual trades, and see my winning percentage. I'm gonna start that next week. I keep forgetting to put my trades in that column, that little section over there. But thank you guys for watching this Money Games.